Hello and welcome, Victor here from Crewe, today presenting this fantastic used Toyota Yaris 1.5 VVT-h Excel E-CVT, finished in grey and powered by petrol hybrid engine producing 116 PS paired with automatic transmission. This Yaris delivers efficient performance and everyday usability. At the front it stands out with LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and a satin lower grille giving it sporty character. Fog lights add extra visibility, while the 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels provide confident look while delivering smooth handling and secure road grip. At the back, full LED rear lights and high-level LED stoplight highlight the Yaris' modern styling. Privacy glass and soft rear spoiler add sporty edge. The car offers practical boot capacity made more versatile with 2-level adjustable boot floor and 60/40 split folding rear seats. Rear passengers benefit from comfortable seats, privacy glass, ISOFIX fittings and thoughtful details such as coat hooks and storage pockets. Up front, sports seats with height adjustment provide excellent support, while the cabin features soft touch instrument panel and leather finishes. Smart entry and push button start at convenience, while dual-zone climate control ensures year-round comfort. The 3-spoke steering wheel is tilt and telescopically adjustable with multifunction switches for audiophone and other features, and ahead the binocular-inspired digital display presents speed, hybrid energy flow and driving data clearly. On offer is dual-zone automatic air conditioning, allowing driver and passenger to set individual temperatures, and an infotainment system in the form of Toyota Touch 2 with DB radio for clear entertainment is also on offer. Including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to keep you connected, integrated satellite navigation, vehicle menu to monitor key car information at a glance, energy flow menu allowing you to track hybrid performance in real time, and feedback from the reversing camera providing clear visibility when maneuvering in tighter spots. This has been a presentation of the Toyota Yaris 1.5 VVT-h Excel E-CVT. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.